Welcome. This presentation is a step-by-step guide to the use of the TUMI system and how to properly log into and out of instruments and tools, as well as handy features to keep you informed as to the status of the tools. When you first approach a TUMI computer and wake it up, the screen will display a tabular list of all the tools that the kiosk controls. The current status of each tool, as well as notes indicating current and future users and current reservations on the tool. The status column reflects the current state of each of the tools. The indication may be available, in use, or down. Click on the orange button in the upper right to log into the computer and start a new kiosk session. Once the orange button is clicked, you will be taken to the login screen. Make sure your dual authentication device is awake, then enter in your GatorLink username and password to complete the login. Once you are logged in, the equipment list will change to reflect your rights and privileges in the RSC. The status column will indicate which tools are available to you through training and qualification. If a tool is indicated as available to you, then you may click on the tool login link. Highlight the tool of interest to you. In this case, the dicing saw ADT. The line will turn orange. Move to the end of the line and click on the tool login link. The tool's login box will pop up, allowing you to select a funding source from all of the sources of funds that are available to you. Make sure you choose the appropriate funding source for the work that you are doing. If the tool that you're using has common consumables associated with it, there will be a list here to select from. Third down on the list is a radio button that you can select to keep your login session active so that you may log into other tools in this same session. I have selected yes here to remain logged in so that I can log out of this particular tool in a short period of time. The last item in this window is where you can enter in the expected time that you plan to use the tool. If you had a reservation on the tool, then this last window would reflect the total amount of time for that reservation. You can edit that time by changing the number in this box. When you have finished making your choices, then click the Submit button. Now the TUMI computer screen will show an updated status of the tools reflecting your login. Note also the reservations and times of all the other pieces of equipment controlled by the TUMI. To log off from a tool, wake up the TUMI computer and log in with your GatorLink as before, then click the Tool Logout link to start the process of logging out. The first window that pops up will ask you whether you have modifications to your usage time that happened during this session. Click Yes if you had issues with the instrument, and you will be given the opportunity to explain the issue and request a modification of usage time. If not, then click No. The Tool Logout window will appear, which will have a window for you to type notes and messages in. If you clicked Yes previously, there will be a line for you to indicate the number of minutes that you wish to have deducted from your total time of use. If you've indicated a need for deduction, then your message in the box above should indicate the reasons why. Ignore the staff engineering fields in this window as they do not apply to general users. The radio buttons at the bottom of the window allow you to do many different things. Click Yes on the Email Comments to Staff, and your comments above will be sent to rscinfo@mail.ufl.edu so that staff will be able to read your comments. Selecting Yes to post comments to Tool Status Log will post your comments on the tool's dedicated web page status tab. If you've discovered that the tool is malfunctioning to the point that you have to give up and log off, it is critically important that these two buttons be pressed so that staff and users are informed. Users may be on their way to use the machine or planning to use the machine in the near future, and they will be informed of its status change. Click Yes next to Keep My Kiosk Session Open if you wish to remain logged into the TUMI. And finally, click Yes next to Stop Reservation if you are finished using the tool and wish to terminate your reservation at this time. When you are finished, the TUMI screen will return to its idle state. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, need assistance, or desire a live demonstration, please feel free to contact any staff member at any time.